if they don't believe me now, will they ever believe me? And if they don't believe me now, will they ever believe me? Oh no. The boy with a thorn in his side, behind the hatred there lies the thunder in his eyes. Oh, but in love, how can they see the love in our eyes? Instead they don't believe us. And after all this time, they don't want to believe us. And if they don't believe us now, will they ever believe us? And when you want to live, how to start, where'd you go, who'd you need to know?
Attention, we have just received an urgent message from Sussex County Prison that an inmate identified as Silas Turner is on the loose. He is considered dangerous, so stay inside, keep your doors locked, and report any suspicious activity by calling 999.
Dear John Sinclair, you stole my life, framing me for the lies you fled, thinking you could outrun the consequences of your misdeeds, while I was left to rot in a prison all these years. You are not here to answer for your sins, so the Son shall suffer for you. Your friend, Silas.